I buy a lot of physical media for the arcade. Most of it is listed in like new condition, but most of it isn't. Like this lot here, every single disc in this lot had surface scratches, but I think I know how they got there.
Stay here. How you doing?
Nice ladies.
Leave. All right.
Hello, buddy boy. Dick Jones here. I guess you're on your knees about now, begging for your life. Pathetic. You don't feel so cocky now, do you, Bob?
Whatever he's paying you, I'll double it right now.
You know what the tragedy is here, Bob? We could have been friends, but you wouldn't go through proper channels. You went over my head. That hurt. But life goes on. It's an old story, the fight for love and glory, huh, Bob? It helps if you think of it as a game, Bob. Every game has a winner and a loser. I'm cashing you out, Bob.
That would lead to some damages. Miraculously, all of the games still worked, but I don't like for my consoles to have to work that hard. That's why I was happy to discover that Video Games New York offers professional disc resurfacing. I sent the entire lot off, and with a pretty quick turnaround, the results were fantastic. I would highly recommend it. Probably gonna send these guys in soon, because I think they're in the scene where Sarah Connor envisions Judgment Day happening. Catch you guys next time.